everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're discussing the new compensation system to Uber drivers. But before I dive in, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on your notification to stay up to date on my content. When Uber first launched in Vancouver, we didn't know where our passengers were headed until we picked them up. Some drivers like Diamond or Platinum members could see the direction but not the exact location or the exact address. We also didn't know how much we'd earn per ride until it was completed. However, starting from August 2024, Uber introduced a new system where we can see the passenger's destination and estimated earnings before accepting the ride. This has been a game changer to many drivers. But here's the thing. Even when passengers ask for additional stops, like what happened to me in the previous video, we can still see the updated estimated earnings. For example, when the passenger asked me to stop at Tim Hortons without adding a stop through the app, I was concerned about the extra time. But as it turned out, Uber compensated me for the additional 15 minutes, adding $9 to my earnings. Because I can see the estimated earnings before accepting the ride, I can now make an educated guess about whether the extra stop will add to my earnings. And as I mentioned earlier, in my experience, Uber has compensated me for the additional time spent on this extra time. Additionally, I recently discovered that Uber compensates drivers for time spent stuck in traffic. This feature might have been introduced earlier, but I only noticed it in December 2024. Please correct me if I'm wrong. I've also observed that when we're stuck in traffic, the Uber apps sent a notification asking if everything is okay. If we respond with okay, we receive compensation for the extra time. However, if we miss the notification or don't respond promptly, we don't receive the extra or additional earnings. As I mentioned to you earlier, these are all my observation. So if you already know it from before, so just let me know. Put a comment below. So that's it for today's, folks. I'd like to hear your thoughts on the new earning systems, additional stop, and traffic compensation. Thank you for watching. Have a good one.